This video clip demonstrates the real reactivity of aluminium. Aluminium is coated with a protective layer of oxide, which prevents the metal from reacting with air. It causes the metal also to be resistant to corrosion. This gives the impression that the metal is unreactive, which is far from the truth. In this demonstration, a coil of pure aluminium wire is used. The protective layer of oxide is firstly removed by dissolving it in sodium hydroxide solution. The cleaned metal is quickly washed in deionized water and then dipped into a solution of mercury 2 chloride. Some of the dissolved mercury ions are displaced from solution and form an amalgam on the surface of the aluminium metal. This metal is washed again and quickly placed into a flask of oxygen. Oxidation of the aluminium occurs almost instantaneously, and since the reaction is exothermic, some water vapour evaporates from the wet metal surface and you can see it condensing on the cooler glass surface. Water is essential to the oxidation process because if the flask is dried with a hot air dryer, the reaction slows almost to a stop. In addition, the reaction proceeds more quickly if the flask is full of oxygen rather than air. The process of the reaction has been filmed by time-lapse photography. This short 1 minute long sequence was filmed over a 2-hour period. The product of the reaction is an oxide, probably a hydrated oxide. This process mirrors rusting, where both water and oxygen are also needed for iron to rust.